Giveaway is live. Giveaway still live. $25 gift card. Subscribe and comment with something with your IG if you want to enter. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy What's Too Slow. Back with the bank for your boys. Today is a very special day. Right now we about to get the front bumper and the headlights changed on the whip. As y'all can see, my baby right there. We got some boys pulling up to help me out. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the parts we finna get put on right now, so y'all boys can see right here. These are the headlights. Try it! Alright boys, we just got the bumper off. Finna go out here and show y'all the midway production. What we looking like. Boys, you know what I'm saying? Boys on the job getting to work. Good weather out here, feels pretty good. We finna show y'all. Yes sir, y'all can see. The bumper has been removed. This is the old grill right here. Out with the old and with the new. All black.
Here's the new grill.
I might get a car after this. What is it, man?
I said here's the
completely off. So we have to put the new one right here. As you can see, this is what just had got. Probably gonna have to get a car wash after this, cause now it's gonna be like super dirty. So I'm gonna have to go to the car wash and get it clean, which is fine. Y'all can see all the old is off. Well, not the bumper, but obviously the grill and stuff gotta get put back on the new one. So I'm gonna catch our boys when we are closer to the finished product. Hold on. Batmobile. Oh hell no. Batmobile is work in progress. The final product would be beautiful, I'm telling y'all. Especially if I get it wrapped. Don't know how I'm gonna get it wrapped. Expensive. I might as well wrap it myself, shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Mechanic West on the job.
Cap.
But catch our boys when we are closer to the finished product. Yeah. Alright, y'all boys. So I don't know if I told y'all this. I'm pretty sure I didn't. But I also close that. I also did order another part for my car. Besides the grill and the headlights. In this box right here, y'all can see. I'm gonna go out there and show y'all exactly what it is. This is kind of just like a rush buy purchase, you could say, for shopping for stuff for my car. I found this on eBay, and I was like, you know what, this might look sick, so I decided to say, screw it. I'm gonna go ahead and go through with the purchase. So why is it doing this? So I'm gonna go ahead and see exactly if it fit. I probably won't have it get put on today, but I'm definitely gonna get it put on. But it probably won't be today. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this for y'all boys. Y'all can see it's just like some plastic side skirts right here. I don't even know if it'll fit my car. Y'all see right here, it's like some little nice little cool design that would go like, honestly, I don't know exactly how it go. Maybe like on the back will be cool. But I mean, if it goes right here, this will look pretty ass. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys. So it'll probably either have to be like in the middle or like the back. I think the back looks like the most sick. Yeah, definitely like maybe like this. I don't know if I can see that good. But these are like some little plastic side skirts. I'm gonna probably put these on. It come with like some screws and everything. But just the other piece right here. Everybody can see. I won't probably do it today. Maybe another time. Yeah, man.
You like it like this?
Oh, that's the badge, isn't it? Honestly, I don't want this at all. Actually.
You don't want it?
No, I'd rather have it like no badge, just black.
That's fine.
Yeah, that would be perfect
it comes
actually.
like with the bed. I want to just make sure you want it. I don't do want it.
Yeah, no, that middle can come off. It could just be like all black.
Okay,
no badge.
got it, man.
Appreciate it, man.
That's fine.
And this is, as y'all can see, the chrome delete. Grill right here. So yeah, this was like a little rush purchase that I did. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the house. So let me know if y'all think this would be good for my car or not. Cause low key, I really don't know if this would be good. Like, it'll either be super fire or like corny and like cringing ass. So yeah, let me see if like, cause y'all can see it right now. It's like normal, but if we were to like, it would be this one. If you were to get this put on right here, it will low-key be like, oh, low-key? Does it like come? It's supposed to be like out or in. I'll show you shit like this. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it don't look too bad. Yeah, no, I would definitely not be in the front. That looks disgusting. Definitely more like something like this, right, y'all? Yeah, this will be fine. So yeah, boys. Let me know if I should get that put on or not. Y'all saw it, so let me know. We almost done with the front bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all again. Both headlights. Oh my god, that looks freaking sexy, man. Yo, I didn't know this was just rusty. I'm gonna have to get like a new car. But headlights right there. Oh man. The final product gonna be sick, y'all boys. Y'all stay tuned for the final product. When it is put on, I might go somewhere. I might go for a drive. We might go like to a park or something so I can give y'all a full 360 little tour, walk around at the whip with the grill on. No badge in the front. It's gonna look badass. Batmobile is 100% in session. Y'all heard it, but y'all heard it first. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the house. Catch our boys when we have it put on. Grill. Yeah. Well, boys, we just got the headlights put on right quick. I'm gonna show y'all boys. Ooh. Yo, these look clean. Oh my god. Woo. Blacked out.
You like it?
Hell yeah, man. These headlights are fire. Appreciate y'all. This is tough. Yo, look at the range, yo. Look at that, man. Y'all see this? Oh my god. Yeah, these are the black halogen headlights. Give y'all a little. Y'all see right there. Yo, this is badass. Grill, no badge. Who needs badges? 2025. Come on now. Y'all see? Yo, this is gas, bro. Do a little quick. Oh my god. The over right here. Trash. Over right here. Trash, feel me? We almost gonna get this put on. Final result. Let's go.
Later.
Alright, boys, they just finished. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the front. Y'all boys be ready. Yo, what the fuck? Why does she look so dark?
Bruh.
Yo, hold on, I'm gonna fix this. This brush looks crazy. There we go. Alright, y'all boys. Perfect. Alright, now let's do it. Alright, exposure was fucked up. Alright, now we're finna do the walk around. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all boys. 3, 2. Woo! Yo, these headlights are so fucking good. Y'all see the headlights? Brand new headlights. Grill, blacked out, no badge, y'all can see. With the chrome delete, bottom grill. These are black halogen headlights. Yo, these are like fucking amazing. We're gonna do a quick walk around. I gotta go get a car wash. We're gonna do a car wash. Y'all can see everything the same. Chrome delete. Y'all ready to see all this. Tail lights blacked out, obviously. All this blacked out. I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys. This is like, this shit come together perfectly. I ain't even gonna lie. This shit is like, I wonder if I can like, whatever this is, like rusty. I don't know if I get the car of this. Y'all boys can see. I'm like a little bit black in the park right now, so I don't want to be here too long. But yeah, y'all boys. I'm gonna go ahead and I still have some new parts I gotta get put on, so I'm gonna let y'all boys know when we get that shit on. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Giveaway is live. Giveaway still live. $25 gift card. Subscribe and comment with something with your IG if you want to enter. I let y'all boys catch y'all. Boys, I ain't gonna lie. Only thing I just realized that I don't like. Why? Now with the new headlights, as y'all can see, it says. Oh wait, it's not there no more. It was saying like AFL. Like service lights AFL, some shit like that. I don't know, but I think it's gone now. But if y'all know what that means, it was like AFL. It's probably because of new aftermarket lights. Aftermarket? You can give me aftermarket? Those are off eBay. Those are aftermarket. Those are not like from Cadillac. But y'all boys, Batmobile coming together. Batmobile is coming fucking together. It's just fucking beautiful. I love my life right now, y'all. I appreciate everybody who tuned in. Giveaway is live. Subscribe to be into the giveaway. Subscribe and comment. Make sure you comment your Instagram so I can DM you if you win the giveaway. I'll be picking someone random. So subscribe, be like, comment, yo, W video, what's up, Wes? And then put your Instagram at the end to be entered. Giveaway probably in either like a week or 2 weeks. I don't really know yet. I'm figured out. But giveaway will be live. $25. If you want $25 for free, all you gotta do is subscribe and comment. Catch our boys in the next video. Yeah.